Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to do the performance testing of OpenSuse Tumbleweed with real-time configuration. So in the earlier videos I have shown you how to do the real-time configuration using the Geekbench repository and how to install the different packages and then do the configuration. So the different packages that are available in the Geekbench repository are some music audio video applications, and there is a special rt-config package which will do the settings or the system configurations to realize a real-time system. In either you can use the OpenSuse Tumbleweed, you can do the same in OpenSuse Leap also. So now let us do the testing of the system. So our system is OpenSuse Tumbleweed. It is the latest updated for today. So whatever packages are available up to today, they are all installed, and I have done all the real-time settings also. In the last gaming video you have seen that the real-time system works fantastic and you get a better gaming performance. Now by default the scheduler CPU scheduler has the governor policy Schedutil, and if you check the power profile, it is balanced by default. So these are the four power profiles available: balanced, on demand, performance and Schedutil. And here the governor policy, three governor policies are available: on demand, Schedutil and the performance governor policy is there. So first we are going to check out the Schedutil governor policy with the real-time settings enabled in OpenSuse Tumbleweed, and we will check out what is the system performance. So let us start. I have already done the change mode command. So change mode command has run and it has given the. So now let us start with the test. I have already done the settings, given the privileges for the Geekbench executable to run on our system using the change mode command. Now let us execute the bin file for the Geekbench 6.5. So now the test has started. You can see here the kernel is 6.17.7-1 default 64-bit kernel is there on the OpenSuse Tumbleweed system, and it has got the real-time config. So preemption is full and the other settings are applied for the realizing a real-time system. Now let us check out the single core test which will run first, and then the multi-core test will run, and then the results will be available online. So we will check out the online test scores, and then we will be comparing the different test scores for the different governor policies, and then we can check out and compare with the test scores that were there in the Linux Mint and the Debian that we tested earlier. Now the multi-core test have started. So the test is complete and we can check out the result here. Okay, so the single core test scores are 1388 and the multi-core scores are 4293. I think this is the highest score that I've seen in all the Geekbench test we have done on Linux Mint, Debian, and now on the Tumbleweed, OpenSuse Tumbleweed. I think this is the highest score, most probably. You'll have to check the older videos. So here you can see the individual test scores for single core test. Now the multi-core performance. So this test we have done with the kernel 6.17 and the real-time configuration was also done. So we have used the real-time configuration from the geekos.do repository. So this kernel 6.17 is real-time preemption was kept at full and then we done the test. I will bookmark this test. And in the next two tests, what we are going to do is we will use the governor policy performance and on demand one after another, while we will keep the power profile to balanced only. And the rest, that is the other three power profiles, you have to do it yourself on your system, because too many videos of only one kind, they will bore the people. The viewers will not come to my channel. So I am going to keep the test to minimum now, because we already done the complete test on all the governors available in Linux Mint as well as Debian. So I don't want to continue and do more tests of the same kind, because then it it will repel the users from our channel, because in CashOS also we have done too many detailed tests. No Linux channel does all these tests, but that is also not gathering much viewers. So viewership is good but not the best. So I'm going to skip some of the test. I'm only going to do the test for the 3 governors with only the balanced power profile. So rest other 3 power profiles you can do it yourself on your system, and you can compare the scores that you get on your system. You can also give me the feedback. So that's it for today's video. In the next video we are going to do the test for the performance governor policies. See you in the next video. Bye bye.